Creative coding with smart logic. Today, Maya and Momo are diving into the world of creative coding. With just a few colorful blocks, they're about to create games, quizzes, and animations, all using smart logic. Creative coding means building things like games or stories by connecting visual blocks. These blocks follow a logic. Some repeat actions, some make decisions, and others store information. It's coding made fun and easy. Momo teaches Maya how loops can repeat actions. A loop tells the computer to do something again and again. But there's something even smarter: nested loops. That means a loop inside a loop, like drawing rows and columns to build a grid. To make decisions, we use conditionals. If a square is in an even row, color it red. If it's odd, make it blue. That's how computers follow smart paths using logic. Maya wants to make a quiz game. She needs variables. These are like containers that hold numbers or words. One block sets the score. Another adds points when the answer is right. And the best part? The score keeps updating live on the screen. In Maya's game, pressing a key sends a message called a broadcast. When a sprite hears the broadcast, it responds, maybe by jumping, dancing, or changing color. This is called event-driven design, where actions happen based on user input or messages. Sometimes things go wrong. That's okay. Maya adds debugging blocks to see what's happening. By logging the sprite's position, she finds and fixes the mistake. That's how real coders solve problems, step by step. To make her code neat and fast, Maya creates a custom block. That's called optimization. Good coders don't just make things work, they make them better. Maya learned that smart logic makes coding powerful and fun. With loops, conditionals, variables, and broadcasts, she can build amazing projects, from games to animations, all using creative code.